Low-carb and ketogenic diets are becoming increasingly popular for their ability to help with weight loss, but the health benefits don't end there. Recent research has found that there are 7 distinct advantages to these diets, from improving diabetes to reducing the risk of dementia, cardiovascular disease, and even cancer. Today, we are talking about 11 delicious facts about ketogenic diets. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Let's get started. 1. The origins of the name. Ketogenic diets, also known as keto diets, are so named because they rely on the production of ketones by the liver for energy. In order for the liver to produce ketones, it must first use stored body fat. When carbohydrates are removed from the diet, the body needs to find another source of energy, which is where ketones come in. The body normally uses glucose, which comes from carbohydrates, as its energy source. The ketogenic diet is not a new diet. It's been discovered in 1921, and it's been used for nearly a century. Despite this, it has recently gained popularity as a weight loss and health diet. It's important to note that the body uses ketones as a secondary energy source, and it's needed to be in a state of ketosis to burn fat. 2. Its help to weight loss. According to some scientific studies, low-carb diets are better for weight loss than low-fat diets. This is because low-carb diets reduce insulin levels, giving us quicker access to our body fat reserves. Additionally, low-carb diets suppress our appetite, so we consume less. They also create a metabolic advantage, making us burn more calories when we follow a low-carb diet. Low-carb diets may even be beneficial for treating food addiction. 3. There are several keto diet methods. A ketogenic diet can have different results for different people. The 4 main types of ketogenic diets are the traditional, cyclical, targeted, and high protein. The traditional ketogenic diet is the most common and widely used, but depending on your body type, habits, and lifestyle, a different type of ketogenic diet might work better for you. It's important to keep in mind that not all ketogenic diet plans will work for everyone, so it may be necessary to try different methods to achieve the desired results. 4. Keto diet can impact your workouts. At the start of the keto diet, you may experience a decrease in your usual strength and stamina during workouts. This is because your body is so used to burning carbohydrates and needs to quickly adjust to burning fat. During this transition, you may feel a bit weak, but don't worry, your body will adapt to the keto diet quickly, and you will soon regain your strength, even faster than before. 5. Improve brain function. Improved concentration. Ketogenic diet can help with focus and concentration by keeping blood sugar levels stable and reducing mid-afternoon fatigue. Additionally, the brain uses ketones as an energy source in a state of ketosis, which may lead to improved mental clarity and concentration. Some people have reported these benefits from following a ketogenic diet. Improved sleep. To be honest, some people may experience poor sleep when starting a ketogenic diet as the body adjusts. However, after a few weeks, some people have reported improved sleep quality, which can help with daytime energy and focus. Epilepsy. Ketogenic diets have a long history of treating certain types of epilepsy, particularly in children who did not respond to medication. It is currently being studied for its potential in treating or preventing diseases such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, ADHD, and some sleep disorders. 6. Improved skin health. Another exciting area is how a low-carb diet can affect our gut microbiome, reducing the intake of processed carbohydrates, which has been linked to changes in gut bacteria and acne. The diet is also rich in foods that are beneficial for skin health, such as those high in vitamin A, which can lead to improved skin condition. 7. It improves health in women with PCOS. PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, is a hormonal disorder that causes enlarged ovaries with cysts, irregular periods, and fertility issues. Many people have reported that a ketogenic diet can help with this condition, but research is still limited. However, some studies support the potential benefits of a ketogenic diet for managing PCOS symptoms. 8. Reduce muscle mass and metabolism. The ketogenic diet focuses on reducing carb intake and increasing the consumption of high-fat foods. Depending on the version of the diet, this can lead to inadequate protein intake, which can result in muscle loss. If muscle mass decreases, metabolism slows down, and weight loss may not come from fat, but rather muscle. It's important to ensure adequate protein intake, while following a ketogenic diet to prevent muscle loss and maintain a healthy metabolism. Similarly, Keto warns that if you stray from the keto diet, any weight you gain back is likely to be fat, not muscle. Following the keto diet may cause you to lose muscle mass, but if you return to this diet, you're likely to regain the weight as fat. Your body no longer has the same muscle mass to burn calories as it did before you started the diet, which can have a negative effect on your metabolic rate in the long term. 9. It could help treat cancer alongside chemotherapy. The ketogenic diet, which is low in sugar and carbs, may have a positive effect on cancer treatment. Some researchers believe that the diet's shift away from glucose metabolism may help to starve cancer cells from the glucose they need. Studies have shown that the diet is safe for patients with advanced cancers and can even stabilize the disease, leading to partial remission in some cases. Another study on patients with brain cancer found that the ketogenic diet's restriction on calories from glucose can inhibit tumor growth. While more research is needed in this area, the current findings are promising. 10. It gives you bad breath. Moving on to the less than fun facts, a side effect of ketogenic diet, which is a very low-carb diet, is bad breath caused by the acetone byproduct of fat metabolism. This can also affect the smell of sweat and urine. Some people claim that this odor disappears after being in ketosis for an extended period, while others suggest increasing carbohydrate intake as a solution. In any case, it is advisable to always have breath mints handy as a precaution. 11. Improved blood glucose control. The process of energy transfer from our food to our tissues is fundamental to our metabolism, with blood sugar regulation being a key element of this. On a low-carb diet, energy fluctuations will be reduced. The sugar rush and subsequent crash, which many people experience, is usually caused by the consumption of high GI or heavily processed carbs, which cause a fast rise in blood sugar and an immediate response from insulin. This quickly lowers the sugar in the blood and can leave us feeling drained. By reducing our carb intake, we can better manage our blood sugar and avoid any sudden energy drops. Let's talk about type 2 diabetes. Controlled blood glucose levels is essential for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Nowadays, type 2 diabetes is defined by abnormally high blood sugar levels, as well as an inability to tolerate carbohydrates. Despite this, it has long been recommended that people with type 2 diabetes follow a diet high in carbohydrates. However, more and more doctors are recognizing the value of a low-carb diet for managing this condition. Specifically, low-carb diets can improve HbA1c. This can help diabetes patients reduce their need for medication. If diabetes patients do not control their carbohydrate intake, they may have to take increasing amounts of medication as the disease progresses. Diabetes can even be reversed by following a low-carb diet. In the past, it was believed that type 2 diabetes was a progressive condition that could not be reversed, only controlled. However, we now know this is not true, and more people are reversing their type 2 diabetes by following low-carb diets. So it's possible that a ketogenic diet, which is a low-carb, high-fat diet, can help type 2 diabetics manage their condition by controlling blood sugar levels. Additionally, avoiding refined carbohydrates and following a ketogenic diet may also lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. What about type 1 diabetes? People with type 1 diabetes should anticipate to have improved blood sugar control, fewer hypos, and require less medication. Overall, it has been shown that there is more to low-carb and ketogenic diets beyond weight loss. What do you think? Which of these areas do you find the most interesting? Leave me a comment down below. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.